Well, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is to get the fueling system set up. So I need to go through the carburetor, make sure it's all good. I need to change the jets out because I bumped up my engine size, so I need to bump up my jet size so I get plenty of fuel in there. So let's get into it. We'll start with completely disassembling the carburetor. All right, now that she's all nice and clean, let's get her all put back together. I'm going to start with bumping up the jet sizes with the sizes recommended from Hammer Performance. Shrink on that. This all comes apart. Well, let's get her back on the bike.